Hello my creators, today we are going to make the paper flower. The materials required are, and the measurements are something like this. Let's start the video. First I am taking the 9 by 9 cm paper and showing you to how to fold the paper. You have to fold the paper similarly in 9 cm, 7 cm and 5 cm flower paper. So like this you have to fold the paper. From here one side you have to open it and cut this extra part like this. Now cut the raised part and now make it straight. Now we are going to make the triangles cutting here like this. After cutting these triangles, you have to open and now make a deep cut like this. In each triangle you have to make a deep cut. So now this is your final cutting ready. Afterwards I am cutting from here and these 3 petals for sticking. But before that we are going to fold each triangle with the toothpick. If you don't have a toothpick, you can take any sharp tool, something like this, and you have to fold each triangle like this. So once you complete the folding the each triangles, now we are going to stick that triangle, this one. So apply the Fevicol on it and join this. So like this you have to make it ready 9 by 9 2, 7 by 7 2 and 5 by 5 2 papers ready. Now we are going to stick inside like this. Now once you complete sticking this one, leave it for the dry. Till that we are going to make the center one. For that the 2 cm strips and leave the 1 cm, and in the rest area we are going to cut it. Like this you require 2 or 3 strips. I am showing you in a 1 strip, but I make it ready in a 2 or 3 strips. So like this you have to complete your cutting. Open it and roll it and join it. So like this you have to roll this paper and stick it at the last. As I told you, I show you in a 1 strip, but I take the 3 or 4 strips, and this one I am going to stick it in a center. Now take 22 by 4 cm strip, fold it from the center, and you have to draw the leaf shape on it. And now cut the shapes like this. At the last you have to leave some straight line like this. Now take another 22 by 2 cm strip. Now this you have to fold it twice, 1, 2 and 3. Like this you have to stick it in a center. Once you complete, you have to stick this together. Like this you have to make a strip ready. Now this also you have to fold it from the center. At the last edges you have to cut the triangle shape like this. Once you complete your cutting one, these strips we are going to stick it in a center so we can turn the leaf as we require. So as you are able to see how we can turn our leaf. Now take the 5 by 5 centimeter square paper, folding as usual as we done it in the raised papers. In this green paper, we are going to cut the point also from here like this. Now once you complete this one, we have to join this. Now this one we have to insert in a green paper strip. Now we are going to cut the paper strips also from here. After cutting, open this in a 4 different sides like this one. And now here we are going to stick this green paper on the strips. After completing this one, apply the Fevicol on the green paper all over, and then we are going to stick our flower on it. See, like this. Give some time for the sticking work. Now once it is dry, we can stick our leaf. For the leaf you can use the Fevicol, as well as here I am showing you I am using the cello tape also for the sticking the leaf here. So like this you can stick it with the cello tape also. Even you can having a paper tape, so you can go for the paper tape also. So like this is your one flower ready. According that you can make the more flowers and make the flower bunch ready. You can give someone. Enjoy this activity. Thank you.